like it. Are you supposed to walk in the middle? Lighting in here. It's fun. I like the colors. Yummy. Let's see.
Looks like a good one.
A lot of people here all the time. It's pretty neat.
It's a very vibrant community.
Oh, I'm recording. I record buttons on. I do that sometimes. So cute. This is the first time I've seen the tide this high here. I like it when the tide is high, actually. They're the same ducks I see over there in Blaine, and they will all dive at the same time. And then it looks like there's just a few ducks, and then all of a sudden they all pop up at the same time.
It's black with the white peak.
Black and white, yeah, the males are, and then the females are like brown.
So many fish off this dock. Like, look at all these fish.
Oh, he's got a little injured foot. He's getting along. Poor guy.
There he is, Maria, look behind.
It's his buddy. He's grooming him. Somebody's bait. I don't know. Are they doing crab traps?
There's a seal
Oh,
there
they're
too.
fighting. They're fighting over that piece of meat. Say it was a fish?
A seal came up and dropped it off.
Oh.
He's still in there.
That's pretty cool.
You guys could have worked together.
Just noticed it.
Looks like raw chicken to me.
Yeah, I think that from the fishermen there,
You see
they're
those
bait.
bubbles come up though? That seal might be underneath him.
That's kind of gross.
It's quite the crib.
This is the pigeon corner. Is it painted or is it actually white?
It is painted.